Okay, hello. I am going to be doing a new little cubing series. I'll be doing every day, see how I can improve my times. So, I have 6 cubes, 3 3x3s, 3 2x2s, and yeah, I might do like some different types of like solves. Like I might do all 2x2s for one solve, see what I can get, and then all 3x3s for one solve and see what I can get. So whatever. So yeah, might as well just get started with it. Right. Yeah, this is the YJ, either Guanlong or Guanpo, and then this is either Guanlong or Guanpo. I think this is Guanpo. This would make the most sense. I don't know why, but yeah. Shoot. Here we go. Inspection. This is the YJ series. I actually have a few of the YJs. Actually, I'm pretty sure half of my collection is YJ puzzles. So yeah, probably shouldn't be talking during the solve, but whatever. Cube's not very good. It's like sandy and it is blocky. It locks up a lot. You can't turn it smoothly at all. It is very loud. Terrible. This was like my worst solve ever. Minute 15. Yeah, eat it over there. Alright, next one we have the YJ. I think this is the UPO. No, this is the UPO. This is the Guanpo. So, got a pretty easy case. Here we go. A sub 10, 9 seconds, 9.1 on the dot. That was the YJ Guanpo. So now we have the MoU MF3RS stickerless. This is the first stickerless cube I've ever felt. So pretty good inspection. Okay, whatever. Don't really take inspection seriously, but I should. See, this is probably one of my better turning puzzles. It locks up sometimes, but I mean, maybe it's because I might have not tensioned it. Well, I didn't really want to at the time, which was a while ago. "41 seconds, a 30-second difference. Pretty good. What's my PB? Oh, my PB was 39. I just forgot to put it on here. So yeah, just whatever. Get out. So yeah, that is the MF3RS. Next one we have the Shangshao Mr. M. Stickerless 2x2. So here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. I got like the easiest scramble ever. The heck? I got 6 seconds. 6.276 seconds. So, you know what? I'll do the best for last. I really like that cube. This is the MoU, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the Mofang Jiaoshi. So yeah. Oh shoot. Not good. Not good. Okay. My first over 10, so 10.438 seconds. Now we have the YJ UPO, my first 3x3, like my first legit 3x3. So, yeah. Here we go. Woo! 45.404 seconds. So yeah, that's it. And that is all. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment. How do you think I did? And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching, by the way.